Hey, what's up guys, it's Yash here, and Amazon recently launched the Echo lineup of Bluetooth speakers in India. And if you're not familiar with Amazon's Echo, it's basically a line of products that has a virtual assistant built in, like the Google Assistant and Apple Siri, and that is called Alexa. There are three main products available in the Echo lineup, which are the Echo Plus, the Echo and the Echo Dot. And today we're gonna look at the Echo Dot. I want to mention that the main difference between the three Echo products is only the speaker itself, which is built in, which means the virtual assistant built in is exactly the same across the three. And now with that said, let's look at the Echo Dot. The whole Echo Dot is made out of plastic, but it's pretty well built. It has a glossy plastic finish around it, which I don't like because of the scratches and the fingerprints, but the top panel has a matte finish, which is much more preferred. And speaking of the top, it is where you can find all the accessing buttons. There are four main buttons. Two of them are the audio up and down buttons, a mute button and a record button, which when pressed will activate the virtual assistant. On the back of the side is where you can find the inputs. There's a micro USB port for powering up the Echo Dot, and it can only power up when it is connected. It doesn't have a built-in battery, but you can connect it up to a power bank if you like. And aside from that, there's also a 3.5mm headphone jack, from where you can connect up any speaker that you like to make them as the main output of the Echo Dot, which I prefer because the built-in speaker of the Echo Dot is not that great. It fires from the bottom of the speaker and reflects back from the surface, and it doesn't have the best overall sound quality as well. So I would highly recommend you to connect up your own speaker to it. And in the center is the primary microphone. This microphone can catch up your audio in 360 degrees, and for the most part I would say it's pretty good. It easily gets up more voice from more than 10 feet, which is pretty good considering there's only one microphone. The bottom has rubber padding for grip, which is pretty good. Now let's talk about the main selling point of these, the virtual assistant. So whenever you say the word Alexa, it will fire up the virtual assistant, and after it's connected to your local Wi-Fi network, it works pretty much same as the Google Assistant. You can ask Alexa questions, you can set reminders. Alexa, when is the Avengers Infinity War releasing?
The next The Avengers movie film is Avengers: Infinity War and will be released on the 27th of April 2018.
Alexa, what is the capital of the United States?
The United States capital city is Washington, D.C.
Alexa, how long is the Golden Gate Bridge?
The Golden Gate Bridge's length is 8,980 feet, 2,740 meters.
You can directly call someone, set alarms, and you can also buy something from Amazon right from the Echo Dot. You can ask Alexa to play any song, and about that it plays the song from Amazon Music, and you can't actually set up any other music service like Google Play Music, Saavn, Spotify, Gaana, etc. like that. But Amazon Music has been working out pretty well for me lately, and for the most part it has pretty much all the songs there are. For connecting and setting up your Echo device, you need to download the Amazon Alexa app on either your iOS or Android device, and from there you can set up your device's Wi-Fi network, change other stuff like emails, calls, etc. like that. And from there you can also connect supported smart appliances like the Syska Smart Bulb, Philips Hue system, D-Link smart plugs, etc. like that. For example, here I have the Syska Smart Bulb connected to my Amazon Echo Dot. So whenever I say Alexa, change lamp 1 to blue, it will change up the color of the lamp as said. So if you connect other stuff like the wireless plug, you can control that plug through your voice as well. Maybe this is the first voice control automated system that has been introduced in India, and for the most part it works out pretty well, and more stuff are actually starting to support the Amazon Alexa ecosystem. So if you want to buy a cheap smart speaker, or if you want to try out smart home automation for yourself, then I would highly recommend you to try the ecosystem and the Echo Dot itself. So that's all. Link of the Echo Dot will be present in the description down below, and like the video if you like it, and subscribe for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.